Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta ma'am. Actually, today I was thinking that I should share that how I am practicing English writing. Yes, actually, it is really very hard nut to crack if anybody says that writing is not my cup of tea when I just want to start writing. So we should know that from where we need to start. People are fix. They are not so much capable to start writing. Sometimes they are in the thought that how I should start, and when they don't know the basics of writing, so they feel difficulty in starting writing. So I am just here to explore my ways that how did I start writing. When it comes to writing, so I started writing through my diary. It was the time when I was in my childhood. So that time, during my school days, I started writing. And how I should write, that time I used to write in bullets only, because I was not so good at writing. So that time, whatever thoughts would come in my mind, I used to write in bullets, means in sentences. So when we write something in our sentences, so that time also we come to know that what particular thought is coming into my mind, and how it is giving a solution of our problems. Suppose if you are in deep thought of anything someday, so you are writing about that thought. For example, if there are your exams, just around the corner, so you would feel sometimes stressed, and sometimes you would feel that my preparation are up to date, and you can think that how I am going to write my paper. So that time, one can write, one can write about that how I will start my paper, and how I would write in my paper in bullets, and you can think about the strategies that I'm going to write in this writing pattern. And you can also write that tomorrow is my exam, so I'm going to do this work. And in this way you will be able to know that how you are maintaining your time, and how you are just making a timetable during your exams. So when you are writing, when you are making a list of your work, so that time also you are managing with your thoughts in a writing form. So it will be good to start writing. And other thing is that suppose there is your friend's birthday, so you can write that what particular things you want to do for your best friend. You can write about the gift, and you can write about any surprise that what you want to give to your friend. And even you can write about the best moment uh, that you have just lived with your near and dear friend. And in this way you will be able to just give and to just pen down your thoughts in writing form. And these was some real life example that I gave you. But those who are really want to start and they have nothing to start, so as I said that we should start with bullets. So in bullets you can write your to do list. First you can start from making to do list. Suppose you just want to start writing from today onwards, so you can maintain in your diary that what are the important works that you want to do tomorrow. So suppose if you are a student, so you can write that that tomorrow I need to complete my this assignment, this classwork assignment. Okay, and next time you can write that I am going to speak on this topic in front of my students, in front of my colleagues. And apart from that, you can think about interval time, that what would be the topic of discussion in during interval time. And apart from that, you can think about any game as well, that you can maintain any pretend game in your mind, so that you can play that game during recess. So these are the other work. And sometimes you can add some helping words as well, helping work, like tomorrow I am going to help my father in this work, or tomorrow I am going to help my mother in this work, or tomorrow I need to plant water the plants, and I need to help one needy person. And in this way, you can just categorize your work, that what you need to do. So when you are making your to do list, so first of all you are maintaining your life with discipline, that what you want to do, and how you can maintain your priority time with your deeds. That will help you somewhere, and it will give you consistency in your thought. Because when you are writing every single day, so you become consistent, and consistency also give good results. Yes. And as after that, as you have started writing or making to do list, so other work you can do. If you find that now you are comfortable in writing bullets, so after some days you can start writing and describing your days. Yes, you can write about your day, that how you are just living your day, means how I passed my previous day, and how I am passing my present day. Okay, you can describe your daily routine as well. Though daily routine is sometimes very natural, and it is boring, sometimes monotonous, but you can make it interesting. Just add one happiest moment that you live throughout the day. So in this way you will be able to recall that what was the good moment in your life that you lived today. And in this way you will be grateful to your god, and you will be grateful to your life, that today my day has been great in this manner. And apart from sharing good vibes, you can share one negative point as well. When you are sharing about a negative points in your diary, that what was the moment when I feel worried, or when I felt worried, or when I felt happy, or when I felt super excited, super excited, or any feelings. So that time you are going to face your feelings. And when we are facing our feelings, so somewhere we are reducing our fear, because when we just face our fears, so that time we get the strength to overcome all those fears. So it is all a good activity for you, because by doing these things one by one, you will increase your writing capacity. And gradually you will elevate your habit of writing. And this habit of writing will help you to write your journal. Yes, what is journaling? Journaling is this only, na, when you are expressing your thoughts on the paper. And when you will start from bullets, and after that you are writing in sentences, and then you are making something in paragraph. So by doing this in order, so you will come to know that how you have to express your feelings, and what you have done throughout your day, and how you are behaving with others, and what misbehave you have just done with your friends, family, and relatives, and what you need to done and to cover up those mistakes. So this is the realization of your happiness and your griefs. And when you are going to write everything, every emotion, whatever you are feeling throughout the day, so that time somewhere you are putting yourself into habit of writing, and this habit will help you to make a person who will be able to give solution to each and every problem of himself or herself. Because what happens, mostly we are not aware of what we are doing in our life, because we think that we know about ourselves everything. And when times comes, so I will be able to manage each and every problem. But when we are not aware about our judgment, about our problems, so how we can find some good result, how we can find accurate solution for those. When you are writing your problems, so that how you are feeling, so that time you will be able to find out the ways of to overcome from that problem. Okay, so it is important. If you are writing, so somewhere you are practicing your English as well. Apart from writing journal, what are the other benefits of writing? Whenever you are writing something, so directly or indirectly you are using that vocab also, that is inbuilt in your subconscious mind, and you have not been using since long. But when we are writing, so that time we have been using that vocab continuously, and in this way, deliberately or undeliberately, that vocabs come into existence, and we are always able to use that vocab in our day-to-day life. And you won't believe, sometimes you would also be surprised that I know this is me who has used this word. And because miracle happens when you write something. Writing give you a great result. Writing shows you the way, the path on which you proceed, on which if you proceed, so you will be able to show your confidence, and you will be able to show your vulnerability, and you will be able to show what is their ignite to whom you are here only. Okay, so you need to express your views honestly, and you need to write your candid conversation, your candid feedback about whatever you are feeling. So it will help you in great manner. And when you are writing on daily basis, so as I told you that you are just elevating um, your vocabulary, whatever you have used and whatever you have lost till now. But when you are writing, so you are just memorizing each and every word. Because whenever this is the process. First of all, we have lots of memory, and after that, when we just relearn that memory and relearn everything, so that vocab becomes part of our day to daily life. Because somewhere we are taking it in the process of repetition, and repetition is must. If you have something in your mind and you are not repeating it, so it will not come into existence. Okay, suppose you know how to make a good tea or how to brew a coffee, but if you are not making a coffee, so that time you will find that if you are not making on continuous basis, you are not repeating that process, and suddenly you are making, so you will forget that what will be the actual amount of actual amount of sugar and ginger and tea leaf. So how you could be able to make a perfect and drinkable coffee or tea? It is all up to you now, that if you are in the process of repeating, so if you want to keep your learned vocabulary or unlearned vocabulary with you for the long time, so you need to repetition it. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to share. I hope that you would love it. Bye bye.